Front BBK done. Trim dust shields for bigger rotors. New braided lines in. FDF Mini Mantis and BC Racing coilovers also installed. Everything stripped from rear to install new parts in the morning. FDF diff brace, ISR toe, camber arms, Gktech dual caliper bracket, Z1 BBK. Power stop for dual caliper, true coilover conversion in the rear with BCDSs. Rear camber dialed out to 0. Managed to trim center console to fit hydro bracket. Found a good spot for remote reservoir. Figuring out dual caliper line locations. Lines tucked, secured, and hidden once interior goes back in. We'll make a shift boot to cover and hide the hole for hydro handle in the future.